Buck the trend. Understanding an idiomatic expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, buck the trend. This idiom is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills in English. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how to use it effectively. Buck the trend is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where someone or something acts contrary to the general trend or prevailing pattern. The word buck in this context means to oppose or resist. So, when you buck the trend, you're essentially going against what is usual, expected, or popular. The phrase, buck the trend, has its roots in the world of finance and economics, where it was used to describe stock prices or economic indicators that moved against the general market direction. Over time, its usage expanded into everyday language, embodying the idea of resisting or defying the norm in any context. 1. Example in business context. Despite the economic downturn, the innovative tech company managed to buck the trend and showed impressive profits. 2. Social context. In a society where fast food is prevalent, choosing to eat a healthy diet is a way to buck the trend. 3. Personal development. He decided to buck the trend and pursue a career in arts instead of engineering, which was expected in his family. Understanding and using phrases like buck the trend can add depth to your language skills. It shows a higher level of language proficiency and helps you convey complex ideas succinctly. It's especially useful in business or formal discussions where indicating a deviation from the norm is necessary. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, buck the trend. We hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using this expression in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.